very heavy. Very sturdy. This is really sturdy. That's how you enjoy some quality.
Is there anything else on the bottom?
I'm sure there's
There's one at the bottom.
some screws and one tool.
Yeah. Oh, here's the base. Oh my gosh, there's a whole piece. Why is there a wire to it? It's a surprise.
What's this?
What's this? It's like, I think that's for the headphone. And then another cord to it. There's so much cord. Look, that looks like the armrest. What is it? It's a pillow. That's a pussy one. You have a pillow. That's a pussy pillow. Yeah, we have a pillow. Okay, armrest. Yeah, that's the same part. What's that for? But we'll see. Looks like we just have to get the bottom of the chair. Ooh, there's a private side in there. Ooh, the wheels. Okay. We got some wheels. There's one attached to the bottom. Whoa. That one. It's hard. That one's not sure. Stop. I'm scared of you. Oh, you guys just sit on Finally, I have half of it too. That's so cool. The camera needs to be done a little bit more. Instructions. Okay. I just noticed it.
Okay, so I thought I could set this chair up without consulting the directions. Well, I did need to read the directions, so to put all the pieces together, I did use the directions. And together with my lovely assistant, my beautiful little daughter, I was able to, together we were able to put the chair together. One thing, I did have difficulty with one of the wheels, inserting one of the wheels, but eventually it did go into the socket, so I was really happy about that. And here we completed the assembly. As you can see, we're still in the process of assembling the chair. But overall, assembling this GeePro chair was very easy, and basically the instructions helped in taking the guesswork out of the equation. So it was pretty easy. It was fun. I definitely had a good time setting it up, and I didn't get to play some music for you because apparently I lost that footage. I wanted to show you that it can play music as well. And now I've had this GeePro for months now, and it still is very comfortable. And even though I don't play music with the speakers much, it's a wonderful addition which it has as well. And the lights are just an additional plus, and I just love the lights. Whenever I want to change my mood or anything like that, or just look at the lights, just have the lights playing in the room, I just love it. It's just a wonderful addition. This chair is very comfortable, absolutely comfortable, and I do use it daily, and it's just great for sitting up for long hours, for 8 hours or more, even 12 hours. I've completed 12 hours in this chair for days, and it's very comfortable. With the armrest, it does help my shoulders, the neck rest. It definitely helped my shoulders, my neck, and everything. And I'm so happy that I got this chair, because prior I had an ergonomic chair and it cannot compare to this at all. The gaming chair is definitely a go-to for long hours in a chair, work chair or gaming chair. This is the chair for that occasion. And guys, do remember to like, subscribe, and share this video as well.
So I draw my cards on the table. Say I wanna love you, I wanna love you and treat you, love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together when the roof right over our head. We share the shanty of my single bed. We share the same room. For GeePro fight to play. So I draw my cards on the table. Say I wanna love you, I wanna love you and treat you, love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together when the roof right over our head. We share the shanty of my single bed. We share the same room. For GeePro fight to play. So I draw my cards on the table. Say I wanna love you, I wanna love you and treat you, love you and treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together when the roof right over our head. We share the shanty of my single bed. We share the same room. For GeePro fight to play. share the same room. The jet provides the bread. So I throw my cards on the table. Say I wanna love you, I wanna love you, treat you right. I wanna love you every day and every night. We'll be together with the roof right over our head. We share the shanty of my single bed. We share the same room. The jet provides the bread.
So one thing I like about this GeePro gaming chair is that it has the massage feature. And if you're a person who sits up for hours, for long hours in the day, whether playing games, or if you work from home and you're at home for a long time, you need something with a good neck support and lumbar or back support. And I just love the lighting that comes on this chair. This GeePro does come with a remote, so you can control the massage. As you can hear it vibrating, and it also comes with a speaker as well, where you can connect your device to it and play your music. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share this video, and I hope that you enjoy your GeePro, or if you're considering getting one, I hope you enjoy it.